Did you know that you can get access to business credit and funding without having to use your personal credit? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get up to $250,000 using your business only and not having to personally guarantee the funding. So watch the entire video so that you get all of the information before you sign up. And always make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you want to get more information on all things finance, that's personal credit, business credit, and make sure you hit that bell icon to receive notifications. Also, if you want to get more information on business credit, personal credit, as well as how you can access free funding for your business, also known as business grants, there will be a link down in the description box below. I do have a monthly membership that includes 4 different programs in one. You also get digital marketing training if you need help with selling your products online, or if you need help with promoting your business online. We also teach you about digital marketing. You get data points for all of the lenders, access to 0% interest credit cards for every single state. And we also will be doing one monthly Q&A session every month. It also includes more stuff, a ton of stuff in this membership for just one monthly price. Link will be down in the description as well as the pinned comments. You definitely want to take action before the price goes up. So in this video, we're going to talk about Fair Figure. So I first signed up for Fair Figure a little over a year ago. They have changed since then. They have offered business credit trade line that's going to help you build your business credit, but they've recently added their card, their Fair Figure card, which is going to allow you to have business funding put onto that MasterCard. And they also report 2 different trade lines. So they will report to CreditSafe, Equifax Business, and then they also give you access to your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax personal credit reports. And they also report to SBFE as well. So Fair Figure truly wants to keep your business and personal life separate. So with their card, they do not do any hard credit checks on your personal credit reports. So you can build while you buy. So they're going to put the funding on that MasterCard. I believe the minimum amount for the revenue is $2,500. So you have to have some type of revenue because of the type of funding that it is. So I'm going to explain to you the type of funding that it is in just a minute, but you can also get cash back as well when you use the card, and you can unlock additional funding after you make your on-time payments. So pretty much when you pay off the first round of funding, you can get access to additional funding. So here's a quick comparison between Fair Figure and NAV, as well as other charge cards. So Fair Figure, of course, reports just like NAV does. That would be the other similar card, but the difference is NAV does not put funding on your card. They pretty much give you like a preset amount to spend every single day based off of your bank balance, but Fair Figure actually puts money onto your card and you pay it back over a period of time. So you don't have to pay it back every day. There's no deposit required, no personal guarantee. Select your own payback terms and they will report 2 trade lines. So if you pay $29 per month for their services with the monitoring and all that kind of stuff, where you get your personal and business credit monitoring, that's one trade line. And then the other trade line is if you sign up for the card and get funding, you'll also get that reported. NAV, again, does not give you any type of real cash on a card. It's just like kind of like the extra card for personal credit. This is something we talked about quite a few times a couple years ago, like 2021, 2022. It was pretty popular. It's a debit card that reports a trade line to help you boost your personal credit. And that's kind of like what NAV is, but on the business side. So also other corporate charge cards may ask you to put a deposit down, or you will have to pay the entire balance within 30 days. Sometimes it could be 60 days. For example, American Express has charge cards that you have to pay back either on a 30-day basis or a 60-day basis. And you have to pay the entire balance in full, and they don't report all of the time. Most of American Express credit cards don't report to the business side. So this is how you access the capital and how you get up to 250. Now I'm getting this information directly from Fair Figure. I've spoken to them via chat about their highest funding amount, and it is $250,000, and it's going to be based off of your business revenue. So how their funding works is they look at your banking activity through the platform, as well as a combination of your business credit if you have some, and they give you an offer based off of that. They also do ask for your personal information, but that's only because of KYC guidelines, know your customer guidelines. They have to get that information because it's the law, but they're not checking your credit and they're not giving you an offer based off of your credit because it's no credit check. They just have to have that information for identity purposes. So you're first going to sign up and find your business with the bureaus. If you don't have your information listed, they will submit it for you. Then you're going to apply for the card with no personal credit check or no personal guarantee. And then you're going to use your card for other vendors or whatever you need to purchase for your business. And so also they have something called a Fundex score, and that's basically going to be a combination of your business credit and your business revenue, and they're going to give you a pre-qualified offer based off of that information, like a funding prediction. And when you actually submit the application, then you're going to get the final offer. And so they have payback terms that you can choose from, which is going to be 4 payments, so it'll be weekly payments, or it will be 8 payments, and I believe that would be bi-weekly. Now, to be 100% honest, this type of funding is also known as revenue-based funding or merchant cash advance funding. So it's a little bit more expensive. And you have to keep in mind that if you're not using your personal credit and they're basically going off of just your business information and they're not doing a personal credit check, the rates are going to be higher because it is higher risk. So just keep in mind, it's pretty high. If you don't know anything about merchant cash advances, I'm going to have videos coming out about all types of business funding. Merchant cash advance and revenue-based funding is some of the types of funding that you get usually if you have bad personal credit and you need funding immediately, and they go off of your revenue or your card transactions that you have through your business merchant account. So that's how that funding works. It's not a credit card per se because you don't get to carry a balance for months on months. So if you click here on, is this a credit card, on the FAQs, it's going to say neither. They analyze your business data and generate offers based on what they expect your future revenue to be. These deposits are purchased by them at a discounted rate and funded to your Fair Figure debit card. So they're putting the money on your debit card that they give you instead of putting it in your bank account. They put it on the Fair Figure card to help you build your credit. And then also your checking account is going to be linked through Plaid so that your payments can come out automatically. So that's it for the Fair Figure Business Credit and Funding Program. If you want to sign up for this particular program, there will be a link down in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, comment down below if you get funded. If you get access to some funding, comment down below your approvals, and I'll see you in the next video.